the world is still heading for a temperature rise in excess of 3 degrees Celsius this century. In fact, Asia is at the forefront as the planet continues to heat up.
Climate change, if not combated now, could impact standard of living of about half of South Asia's population by 2050.
Asia is expected to experience more severe socio-economic impacts of climate change.
There is an alarming evidence around us that shows that we may have already crossed the inflection point, leading to irreversible changes in major ecosystems, the biodiversity, and the planetary climate system. Confronting climate change needs coordinated action. Businesses and industries, especially in the manufacturing sector, need to reduce GHG emissions, and this is required across the entire value chain.
AB InBev, through their Climate Action Initiative, focuses on switching to 100% renewable electricity and emission reduction in their entire value chain.
So when you look at our renewable electricity goals, we've been very clear in the way that we have defined it. We say that 100% of our operations will be powered through renewable electricity means by 2025, and we've taken the first step towards it in India also.
And to work towards achieving these goals, AB InBev is collaborating with partners like Schneider Electric, AMP Energy India and CleanMax.
We are working across all of these sites in India, and with the vision to have 100% renewable power coming to their facilities and saving carbon emissions, which otherwise would have been provided by the utility, which is a brown power. Working on this particular target, we have already achieved one of the sites, which is in Mysore, almost 100% renewables, and we are targeting a couple of more sites to become 100% green in next 1 to 2 years.
AB InBev partnered with AMP Energy India in 2017 for their first off-site solar purchase agreement in Karnataka. And in a successful collaboration with CleanMax, they are working to maximize the on-site solar capacity at 4 of their breweries located in Maharashtra, Haryana and Telangana.
The solar capacity at those 4 breweries would be more than 3 megawatts. So we've maximized the solar power generation potential on site at each of these locations between the rooftops as well as other available areas. And so typically, as per my understanding, we're offsetting 20 to 30% of the power requirement at each of the breweries through on-site solar power generation.
We are using 13% of the total solar power to the total power consumption, and we are further increasing it to 25%. The use of solar power is not only helping us in the elimination of CO2 generation, basically another is the emission is coming down, as well as the natural resources are being converted into the energy.
Under this, the plant has set up solar panel project under the plant premises, which can give 1 megahertz, which is savings of 30% reduction in the conventional resources.
One important aspect of achieving our climate action goal is to reduce the emissions in our value chain by 25% in the next few years. We've identified the key contributing areas to emission in our value chain.
Essentially, to reduce the overall carbon footprint, it basically was an easier step for us to start with our own breweries. So to reduce our emission footprint, we all had replaced our diesel and LPG forklifts to electrical forklifts. They don't just cut down on a lot of emissions, but they generate little heat and they're very, very low on maintenance and fuel costs as well.
Transportation of material, where we are using bigger containers, bigger trucks, so that in one go we can transport more number of the cartons, and that will reduce the number of trips, and that will help in CO2 emission control.
When we move to product cooling, what we focus on is liaising with our suppliers to procure more and more energy efficient refrigerators and coolers. This year we were able to procure refrigerators which were almost 24 to 30% more energy efficient.
Another key initiative which is linked to the climate actions are the use of the biogas. So by the treatment of anaerobic treatment and the reactor that produce the biogas, that biogas we use for the boiler as a fuel purpose.
We are here for 100 plus years and we want to conserve all our natural resources for more than 100 plus years.
As we move year on year and progress much further in each of these goals, We also have this future aspiration of a carbon neutral brewery,